If you want to look for a house in Lagos, I think rainy season is the best time for you to look for any property. Whether you want to rent an apartment, you want to buy a house, you want to buy a land, rainy season is the best time for you to go for survey, check around, check the environment, because you can buy a land not knowing that that's the waterflood area. So if you want to rent a house, you want to buy a property, start on time to look for it when it's rainy season, because that time you people are going to share the property. Maybe during the rainy season will be for the mommy water and the dry season will be for you to enjoy your house and your property. So choose wisely.
Òkè léètù ẹ ṣàánú wa àdúgbò wa lélẹ́yìí o omi ti lé wa tẹ́ bá máa mi ò tiẹ̀ lè wọlé mo ti gba gbogbo everything jẹ́ bí ṣe wà yìí bàtà gan kò sí bàtà kankan lẹ́sẹ̀ mi lẹ́yìn aṣọ tí mo wọ̀ sọ́rùn yìí ẹ wá ṣàánú wa ní 4th of August 2025 everything takọ́ sínú ilé ló ti gbé lọ ẹ wà àdúgbò wa o àwọn èèyàn wá ń rescue àwọn èèyàn wọn ni o láàrin ibi tá a máa gbà jáde o Lagos State Governor ẹ káàárọ̀ gbogbo Nàìjíríà lápọ̀ gbogbo bí dábàá ti ń gbọ́ wa oko ọ̀pẹ láwa yìí ní jẹjẹ o òkè léètù ẹ ṣàánú wa àdúgbò wa lélẹ́yìí o omi ti lé wa tẹ́ bá máa mi ò tiẹ̀ lè wọlé mo ti gba gbogbo everything jẹ́ bí ṣe wà yìí bàtà gan kò sí bàtà kankan lẹ́sẹ̀ mi lẹ́yìn aṣọ tí mo wọ̀ sọ́rùn yìí ẹ wá ṣàánú wa ní 4th of August 2025 everything takọ́ sínú ilé ló ti gbé lọ ẹ wà àdúgbò wa o àwọn èèyàn wá ń rescue àwọn èèyàn wọn ni o láàrin ibi tá a máa gbà jáde o Lagos State Governor.
Yeah, see water. Flood, man. Flood. It went for Olongolo, Lekki flood. Everywhere is flooded. Still flood, oh. Flood, oh.
Take that baby out of there. Take that baby. Oh my God. Imagine.
Hey, God, oh. Yeah. Suddenly, that got out. Suddenly, that got out. Suddenly.